So my name's Sarah Simmons. We have Simmons Heating and Cooling. We partner with Braemar. We've been in business for around about 19 years, coming up to 20 years now. We have a residential install team, a service team and a commercial team, and all teams work across the Braemar products, servicing, installing and providing Braemar products to customers all across South Australia. So we've had huge sales growth across our brand since working with Sealy. It's really helped to strengthen our footprint in the market here in South Australia.
Hi, I'm Taylor from Gasworks Morphettvale. I'm the General Manager here. I've been with Gasworks Morphettvale for 3 years now, and Gasworks has been standing for over 10 years. Myself and Stuart, the owner of the business, we transitioned from a different industry a couple of years ago, and we've been welcomed into Gasworks with open arms. Our team here is amazing and they've all been so supportive. It's really made us love what we do. In the next few years, we hope to grow our commitment to the Reps Government scheme, and we see Braemar as a great part of that, especially in the evaporative range.
I think, to be honest, lots of people are coming to us because they want the brand. So in some ways, Braemar has been selling itself. Customers are approaching us wanting the brand, and obviously we're proud to sell and install the Braemar brand. Working with the Braemar crew is amazing. We all sort of share the same values, family orientated, so we just work together to find the right solution for the customer. If we could mould our perfect rep, would probably be Andy. It probably helps that he's very down to earth. He's always at our beck and call, whether it's answering our questions, talking to the technicians out on site. Yeah, we're very blessed and lucky to have Andy.
I'm Toby from Simmons Heating and Cooling. I'm one of the service technicians here. I've done a lot of work with the Braemars. The thing I like most about the Braemars is that I can confidently tell a customer on the service department that they actually are a reliable unit. It's going to get them what they want when they're looking for an air conditioner, but also going out to site and installing them, I know that they're just going to work. I know that they're going to work in all sorts of conditions, and then I know that when I go to service them in the years to follow, that they're reliable, easy to source parts, the tech support's awesome, and they're actually easy to work with as well with my own hands.
Hi, my name's Benjamin Chisholm. I'm the Director of Everything Air Conditioning. We've been in business since 2017. We've been partnered with Braemar for 4 years now. I've been using the Braemar product since I started in the industry over 15 years ago. So the Braemar product has been really reliable. The big point of difference we've found as well is they have their own techs in-house, and that's been a massive difference for us. Previous brands we've dealt with, they've organised third-party technicians to come out to jobs, which has proven to be unreliable. We don't know when they're going to rock up. Customer gets left a bit in the lurch. With Braemar having their own in-house team, it's solved that issue for us. Yeah, so Braemar offered a really competitive price point. Also being a South Australian-backed business, it was a really big selling point. Gave us a point of difference to be able to get in with these builders and offer that different edge.
The Lonsdale warehouse is only 5 minutes away from us, which is great to work with because as Sealy is a global company, we're still getting that local support. It means we can place a last minute order and ensure our deliveries are still on time, customers can make changes and we're there for them no matter what. By offering a product range from Braemar gas ducted systems to Braemar reverse cycle ducted and split systems, we're able to ensure that our customers are able to have a comfort solution no matter their needs.
So our vision for the next few years is we're going to continue to grow, continue to scale, so we'll be getting involved with more builders and more building projects. Braemar will continue to grow with us on that journey.
The journey's been amazing. It's been really great to partner with another business and another brand that's focused on quality workmanship and installations, and also that's a family business, so they understand where we're coming from.